top secret. You're viewing this video and hopefully seeing the email if you know either Katie or Josh, the happy couple that's getting married at the beginning of next month. And it's tradition in Katie's family to celebrate the bride and groom with a flash mob at their wedding reception. Now, we will not, on account of pandemic, be able to do this for them in person when they get married on July 1st. However, we can be very creative and very sneaky and create a really cool virtual flash mob for them to enjoy and actually return to as often as they'd like to, so that they can be reminded of all the people that were with them in spirit and sending them love and prayers on the day they got married, even if we weren't there to be together and celebrate in person. So I've tried to make this as easy as possible, as accessible as possible, so that we can get as many people as possible involved. There's 3 things that you can do, 3 little videos you can contribute and send to me that then I will edit together and make available to them on their wedding day. Level 1, twirl video. Very straightforward. I literally just want you to videotape yourself, well, have someone videotape you twirling. Ballerina twirl. Could be a twirl. Literally any direction, as slowly or as quickly as you'd like, but a twirl video is hopefully as accessible as possible. If you can get your grandma to twirl, if you can get your grandma in a wheelchair to twirl, or you twirl her in the wheelchair, like, yes, love that. Children love to twirl. We would love to get toddlers and family and cousins and nieces and nephews and everyone possible involved. And so if you would like for someone to participate in this, but they don't consider themselves much of a dancer, take a 3 to 5 second video of them twirling, and I can use that and splice it together for the video. Second option for involvement is still very freestyle based. So if you send me a twirl video, I love that. If you send me a twirl video and a knot video, extra love that. What you're going to do is, before you hit record, find a scarf, a rope, a resistance band, a bungee, something into which you can tie a knot, right? So Katie and Josh are getting married, which is also known as tying the knot. And so we're going to pass the knot through a series of videos, okay? It can be as, big or small as you'd like, but please make it obvious that it is a knot. And then what we're going to do, or what you're going to do, is step back into your frame, and you're gonna have a friend toss the knot into the frame from the left, my left. When you're looking at the camera, it's gonna come into the frame from the left. You're gonna do an 8 count freestyle with it, whatever that looks like. If you don't like freestyling, you're gonna step up and reach to the right, to the left, step back, down to the right, down to the left, twirl, twirl, toss. And it's gonna toss out the right side of the frame. Both of those directives are very important. What you do with the knot for your 8 counts, totally up to you and your self-expression. But it's very important that if you're going to do a knot dance, it flies in the frame from the left and it leaves the frame to the right. That's the second option for involvement. The next video is going to go through about 6-8 counts of choreography for the chorus. If that's nothing you're interested in, I know we're on kind of a time crunch. You don't have to worry about learning that, but I would really, really love it. I know Katie and Josh would also really appreciate seeing all their friends and family with them in spirit, celebrating them. So send me a twirl video, send me a knot dancing video, or learn the choreography and send a video of that too. The more, the better. Love having options when we're kind of editing together this little music video for them for a virtual flash mob. Thank you so much for participating. I'm so excited to see your videos come in.